Shrylrys. We're here again for another video. So if you're new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for any video updates. So we're here for product unboxing, which is the BM-800 condenser mic. Yes, if you guys do a lot of podcast, audio, recording, or live streaming, we know that audio is very important. It's really super important, guys. So we're gonna be unboxing this BM-800 condenser microphone. It is a professional BM Pro condenser microphone. So let's see what's inside the box. So it's here, guys. Here it's the unboxing. See? So what's inside the box? It has a manuals. The BM-800 condenser microphone includes a manuals and the wind filter that we call the wind filter. It's like the so fluffy stuff here, and then we have the microphone mount here. And then we have the audio jack here. And of course the BM-800 microphone. See? So very nice. And it's heavy, right? I think it's heavy duty. Nice. And we have here the mic and the power cord together with the shock mount. Okay, so insert the condenser microphone to the shock mount. Okay, like that. And yes, obviously that's the way it is. And then put on the power cord, or I don't know what it calls. Yeah, insert it to the condenser microphone slowly but surely. Yes, that's the way it is again. Alright, and then we have it, the wind filter. So insert it to the condenser microphone, and there it goes. So nice. So guys, we're gonna be unboxing next the pop shield. This is the pop shield. So nice, guys. And it has a mount here that we have. You can have to mount your any side like that. Mount to any table or anything that, where you can attach this mount here. Alright, so I'm gonna set aside this one. And next is the professional microphone stand. This looks like the microphone stand. So you have to attach this one in like this. Alright, we're gonna set aside these things, and then we're gonna assemble the whole microphone, including the microphone stand and the BM-800 condenser microphone with the pop shield. assembled the BM-800 condenser microphone and then the top shield, including the microphone stand. And lastly, we're going to be unboxing the V8 sound card. Okay guys, let's see what's inside. So it includes live sound card instructions. Then it has a 3 audio jack. I don't know what are those, but I think this one's for the charging for the V8 sound card. And the V8 sound card. So this is the V8 sound card, guys. So nice. The upper part has 2 knobs, the adjustment for the mic and the adjustment for the echo, and this one, the 5 small knobs here are those treble bass, record music, and then for the monitor, and then the small buttons here are for the sound effects. Alright guys, you can see. Guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching on my unboxing of my BM-800 condenser microphone and then my V8 sound card. So I will put on the shop where I bought those things on the description, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for any video updates. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.